see if you can see what he's got.
Block, is it?
You put the ugly sausage. Oh, poor bird was probably just having a drink.
We're having a bath.
Yeah. Because he obviously wouldn't have dragged it though, would it? On top of the bath. I don't think you'd get it there though, would you? Get wet, don't we?
Well, I'm going to have to go and clean that mess up, aren't I?
You're going to have to clean the bath up.
Well, the bath's not very nice with like bits of bird corpse in it, is it? It's very appealing to the other birds.
It's not really going to attract.
Well, let me just get in there, have
wildlife, is it?
a nice wash. Oh, hang on a minute, there's half of Freddy stuck to the side of it.
Have a right meal there, haven't we? I think it'd drag it in the bush or something, wouldn't it?
Do what? Drag it in the bush?
Hmm.
Yeah, because then he's sitting prey though, isn't it?
I think there's enough roadkill around, wouldn't you, to keep them